All right. Welcome back to Artists with the Garden. Today we are going to check our sweet potato boxes and see if there's anything in it. So my husband has the honors of digging for me. We're good, Michael. We're good.
Not in the leaf?
No, not right now. We're recording right now. Oh no. Did it rot?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Good vines, but nothing there.
Try again. Darn it. I guess that's a step. We kept it alive. Let's try to pull that one up. Mike, did you want to dig that one up when we get over there? I have one more box. Right, what's over here? We have something? We managed to do something right. What's here? No, that's not a potato. Is that a potato? That can't be a potato. We grew that?
That is still not.
We grew that? No way. How is that possible? We grew that?
That's what it seems like.
We grew one freaking potato? Every minute is just one though. It's so happy. Yeah, happy potato. Check that out. We managed to get one potato. But why one potato? I ain't gonna get this.
Spudlings.
Spudlings. Okay, so I must have did something right in this box. Mixing the soil, putting the nutrients in this time. I mean, you could pull this back if you want to, if it makes it easier. Sort of is. We actually got one potato. What is up with this? 5 squash and 1 potato. What else did we grow? Was it just those? Was it? Huh. You think there's anything there?
There's something right there.
Where? Yeah, what is that? Oh. So maybe these boxes will be good for next year. Cool. Oh wait, I thought I saw something in there. Down in there. Ow. We gotta have some more. I'm so happy though. You think it's done? Wait, why is there a root back there? And the moles never found it, which is awesome. What's this one? Yeah, what's all this? There's something going down in there. That doesn't make any sense. One potato. I think I've said that, 7 times on this video? Strange. Ooh, I see a lot of bugs. You think we're done?
I think that's it.
Alright. Let's move to number 2. Oh, right here. What's that? Alright. Michael, you want to see this one? Ow. This is probably the bigger one. This was the bigger plant, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is there a squirrel back there? Woo. What we got?
Ready?
Yep. Huh. Guess it wasn't long enough. The plant's already dying back though. There's one that we planted
Mm-hmm.
because it had some stuff on it. Oh, it doesn't seem like it was quite ready yet. Oh man. Well, that's what we got from this. So what we can do is save these for next year. Plant those. Oh man. What happened to that one? I don't know. I put little
Slips,
I put slips in, so I guess something.
Something got to that and started eating it.
I thought I planted no, I didn't plant a potato. Did I plant a potato?
I think this is one of the earlier ones we did. I did.
Maybe. Okay, well here's all this. So at least we got these, you guys. There you go. Let me see. And there might be some more. Because it's pretty deep. I think we lost one. Yep, we lost a couple. It's still going, Ruben. Huh. That's pretty deep. You want to dig in there more?
What's this over here?
Oh, that's just a mom.
Okay.
What did I have here? Nothing? This is sad. We lost some. And I felt something. Well, it's a good sign though that the soil is good. It's just, I don't think we put them down. Oh, here's something. We didn't put them down in time?
I don't know.
That's weird. Maybe someone on my YouTube channel can let me know. Why did we land up with them like those? Because I thought we put them down in time. The weather was annoying. I know, we were quite shocked that we actually got that stuff. Do you have the little shovel? Let's see if I can use that. You guys didn't come and like stick a potato in here for Mom to feel like, hey, I grew something.
Maybe.
I hope not. He threw a stick. You gotta watch right, you're gonna hit someone. Let's see. Well, is that all we got?
Yeah.
Guess this is everything. Huh. I don't know why this is in here. I found a yellow potato. Here you go, catch that one. Well, maybe there's potatoes in here. Well, that's all the digging, you guys. I mean, I'm gonna still clean through here. Oh, there's another potato. Who planted potatoes? Like regular potatoes?
Remember? Earlier this season I did.
Did we?
Yeah.
I'm so confused what's in this pile now.
Look at those die.
Right? Well, I guess we're gonna leave it at that. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this content today, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see some more what do we call them, fails? Adventures of trying to garden, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on our next well, we'll see what else we're doing in the garden. Take care. Bye.